साथियों नमस्कार, मैं अमोल पटेल, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योगा प्रशिक्षक, ट्रेनर, मोटिवेशनल गाइड, मेंटर एंड लाइफ कोच वेलकम्स यू ऑल टू दिस इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो ऑफ निताई मेडिटेशन। साथियों, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ निताई मेडिटेशन क्या है, व्हाट इज निताई मेडिटेशन, व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ निताई मेडिटेशन in the life. Dear friends, as you can see the term निताई meditation, आप सभी ने मेडिटेशन के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें सुनी हैं, लेकिन आज मैं एक विशेष प्रकार का मेडिटेशन बताने जा रहा हूं जिसका नाम है निताई मेडिटेशन। साथियों, निताई शब्द इस ब्रह्मांड का सबसे शक्तिशाली सर्वश्रेष्ठ शब्द है। निताई वर्ड हैज different meaning, many meanings. Nitai word has many scientific meaning, many spiritual meaning, many natural meaning, and there are huge meanings of Nitai. But unfortunately, till date, it is not known to the world. Dear friends, those who are highly fortunate, those who are highly intellectual people, they can understand the value of the term Nitai and they can know the meaning of Nitai. They can heal yourself with this term Nitai. Nitai term is the combination of all universes. Nitai is the most magnetic, most effective, most attractive word. This Nitai word has many meanings. One of the scientific meaning in Greek language, Ni means Nitui, Ta means tactus and E means ingenium. Nitai has numerous meaning. Nitai has another meaning in natural way. Nitai has another meaning in scientific way. So the meaning of this Greek term Nitui, tactus and ingenium is harmony of senses with nature. Another meaning of Nitai is in natural way, or we can say in Sanskrit language, Ni means Nisarg, which means nature. Ta means Tadatmya, which means harmony. E means Indriya, which means senses. The overall meaning of Nitai is harmony of senses with nature. So, in order to harmonize with nature, let us begin with Nitai meditation. Nitai meditation is the most peaceful, most healing process by which we can fulfill all our desire, by which we can get all the benefit of the health. Nitai meditation is a very important practice which needs to be practiced in day-to-day life. So Nitai meditation is most effective, active, attractive method by which we can heal our inner potential and we can uplift our potential. And we can not only heal ourselves, but we can heal our environment and even we can heal the universe, because the power of thought is very, very powerful. And when this power of thought gets combined with the term Nitai, then it goes into the whole cosmos and we can get all the positive energy available in the cosmos. We can get all the bliss, all the happiness, all the parameters which are required to make our life perfect. We can become a spiritualist, we can become a healer, we can become a meditator, we can become a transcendental, and we can get all the transcendental energies available in the world, not only in this world but in this whole universe. And even we can attract the qualities of the spiritual world which are there, which people try to prove that by practicing very hard yoga practices, but by practicing Nitai yoga we can heal ourselves very easily, we can deal with the meditation very easily, and we can attract everything in abundance to us very easily. This is the power of Nitai. So dear friends, now I am going to explain you how to do Nitai meditation. So Nitai meditation is a very simple and easy practice. There are different processes of Nitai meditation which are known as Nitai meditation, Nitai yoga, Nitai gunjan, Nitai Leela Dhyan, Nitai Shayana Leela Dhyan, Nitai Dhana Mantra, Nitai Swastha Mantra. There are so many different mantras based on Nitai, which heals ourselves and which attracts positive energy to us. So in this short video, I am going to explain you how to do Nitai Gunjan. Nitai Gunjan, or resonating the word Nitai. This is the basic first process in which we have to resonate the word Nitai, and once by doing this we went into the condition of resonance. So while resonating Nitai, we can get unlimited bliss and unlimited all the things whatever required to us. So it's very simple. So now ready to practice Nitai Gunjan. Breathe in deeply. Dear friends, this is how we have to resonate the sound Nitai, which is very powerful, potent, merciful, blissful, which gives us all energies required to us. So this is just simple, very significant, most important practice named Nitai Gunjan. By doing this Nitai yoga every day, Nitai meditation every day, you can fulfill all your desires and you can live a healthy life. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Nitai.